Yeah, we've been on this road too many years, fighting for a peace that just disappears. Promises made, but they break like glass. Kachin blood, sweat, tears of the past. We gave it all, they kept us low, but our spirit's strong, it's time to show. From the hills and the rivers we rise anew. This one's for Kachin, for the brave, for the true. Stand tall, Kachin, rise up strong. We've waited too long, now we march on. For freedom, for justice, for all we've seen. Together we fight for the Kachin dream. No more silence, no more pain. We break the chains, we make a change. For every voice they tried to still, Kachin united, we hold the will. Look around the world, we got family-wide. From the mountains here to the cities outside, we carry the stories, the scars we bear, and every single one proves that we care. For mothers and fathers, brothers lost, for every inch of freedom we paid the cost. But now it's time to claim what's ours, a future bright, born of darkest hours. Stand tall, Kachin, rise up strong. We've waited too long, now we march on. For freedom, for justice, for all we've seen. Together we fight for the Kachin dream. No more silence, no more pain. We break the chains, we make a change. For every voice they tried to steal, Kachin united, we hold the will. It's our time, the world will know. We're more than shadows, we're fire and glow. From refugee camps to city streets, Kachin pride can't be beat. We march for those who came before. For every warrior, for peace, not war. In every heart, the Kachin fire burns bright, stronger, higher. Stand tall, Kachin, rise up strong. We've waited too long, now we march on. For freedom, for justice, for all we've seen. Together we fight for the Kachin dream. No more silence, no more pain. We break the chains, we make a change. For every voice they tried to steal, Kachin united, we hold the will. So lift up your head, we're here to stay. Kachin forever, come what may. For the future, for the truth we seek, we rise again, we won't retreat. For every Kachin near and far, we carry hope with a rising star. Together we're stronger, proud and free. Kachin united, our